This is a pretty good example of people being unintelligent. It's so annoying to see this, okay? Just, people can't distinguish between the actual point of a joke, the logical content, and the embellishment. They just get so caught up in their emotions, like, oh, how could you say that? They don't get the point. So Andrew Tate says, you're broke! Why are you cooking? You're wasting your time. And I've seen people respond with, well, you know, like they're dumb. They're like, well, doesn't everyone cook? Are you saying I shouldn't cook my food at all? How am I going to eat? Don't some rich people cook? And they just completely missed the point of what he said, okay? Because they just got caught up like, hey, you called me broke. What do you mean? And it's like, bro, you're missing the point, okay? Once you stop and actually strip away the embellishment and actually think, what is the point of this joke? He's actually right, and he's really right. There's a very important point here that people missed, okay? Most people miss this point, but it's actually really important. There's nothing wrong in itself with cooking. Obviously, you need to cook. But the point is, you should learn, try and eliminate pointless tasks as much as possible. Okay, because the point here is that most people are not in the situation they want to be in life. Okay? They want to have this life. They want to have life over here and they're all the way back here. Okay? So, what their main goal should be is to working on things that move them towards this life. So, not wasting their time playing video games and doing all these other tasks that don't lead to this life here. And cooking is one of those things, unless you're looking for a career in the culinary industry, making videos. But when you're cooking, you should be recording. So, cooking isn't really cooking. It's more so work at that point. So being efficient with your time still applies there. You should be recording everything you cook, posting on social media, right? But let's look at the average person. Cooking is just a pointless task for them. Cooking doesn't help you get over here. So you shouldn't be spending all your time making these dishes, because this is something I used to do. Like, you know, spaghetti and meatballs, fried chicken, making fries. I mean, this other dishes. These things take a lot of time. They're all hands-on. You're spending hours doing this type of stuff. This cooking and where you are, this isn't helping you get over here, okay? So what you should do is try and eliminate as much time as possible you spend doing it, okay? Try making it as quick as possible. So when people look and say, well, shouldn't I still cook? Yes, but the point is you should try to eliminate as much time as possible from your cooking time, okay? So man, it's very easy to cut down cooking, okay? Get some ground beef, get a steak, eggs, bread, simple things. Eggs, you know, scramble them 3 minutes. Toast the bread in the meantime, you know, soften the butter on the side, you know, ground beef, you want to make that 5 to 7 minutes, etc. This gives you all the nutrients you need, okay? And most importantly, it takes almost no time, right? I mean, it probably takes longer to eat this than it actually takes to cook it. And the point is, you get out of the kitchen, okay? You're a man, get out of the kitchen, and you can get back to working on your empire. Okay, that's the point here. So when you look at it and live with your, like, little Timmy mindset, your little tiny little brain, you know, the little Timmy brain. It's like, bro, you missed the point of the joke. Okay, yeah, it's embellishment, yes. I mean, no one listening says, well, you know, cooking is obviously necessary, but, you know, if you spend too much time on it, like, no one cares about that. No one's going to listen to that. If you say, you're broke, stop cooking, you're wasting your time, I mean, that's going to create more of a reaction. It's going to get people to listen more. Andrew Tate's a great marketer. But you just have to be able to see the logical content of jokes, okay? When someone makes a joke, there's usually some level of truth behind it, and you should strive to find that truth, because who knows? Like in this situation, there might be a really important nugget of truth that will be worth learning.